Hello everybody, I can Rubey again, once again. Thank you so much for just a lot of people have been subscribing, checking out the videos, and that's been a real blessing, and I thank you so much for that, for everybody, and for the outreach. And today a topic that I really want to hit about is people that have passed on. It's a tough situation, and I have gone through that quite a bit lately, just during this pandemic and in general with some family members that have passed on. The one thing I want to say is, truthfully, the best thing we can do for anyone that has passed on, whether it be a family member, friend, someone you know, but more so someone really close to you. I believe the way I feel is that we should live our life to the fullest because you never know. And I think it's a way for them also to live through us spiritually. They see what we see, experience what we experience, and I know sometimes it's very tough. You can lose parent, brother, sister. The list can go on and on. But I'm sure that you all grabbed the gist of it. And what I want to say is the hardest thing in the world, because there is no manual, there's no pamphlet, there's no book to prepare you for this. Even if you know someone is passing, or in a type of care where they're towards the end, it's one of the hardest things in the world because there's no preparation. You can keep saying it and putting it into your head and everything, but it is tough. The only thing I could say is you got to keep going forward and be strong for that person and whoever else is your surrounding family. And if not, I don't think they would want that. I think they would really want to, of course, we grieve and we hope for them to pass on to whatever you believe, whichever person in your family has passed on your faith, or if there is none. But whatever it is, we hope that they do pass on and to the next plane is spiritually. I think the best thing for us to do is live life to the fullest so they can live through you, know that they're always there and always going to watch after you. And most importantly, for us to live a life that's right and just for them so that we honor their name. Never forget them. Always remember them. Always remember them. And the one thing I want to say is, when you're ready to do that crying and all that, of course, in the beginning, it's the toughest and one of the hardest things. But as time goes on, the one thing I want you to do is turn those sad memories into a memory of happiness. Try, at least try, so that you remember the smile of that person or the silly things they used to say, or just by when you saw them and that look they gave you, or their face or their jokes or whatever it may be. We always remember that. And please, I ask you, put that forth so that they also don't shed a tear for you up there or wherever you believe they may have gone, but instead shed a smile seeing you smile. Take care, guys. I Can by Rubey, and thank you so much for all your support. Bye.